Hitting the old iron field here. Just hit a 71. It's round, might be a piece of junk. Only got one other target so far, handle, computer handle or something weird like that. This is a two-piece. I'm sure this is going to be a military. Hoping, I've got one out of here. Union Navy. Might not be. I don't have my glasses on. Looks like something like that though. One side's gone. So maybe the other part's here somewhere. Pretty sure that's what that was. The back for the two-piece. I'll figure that out later, but I can't see much right now. I think that's all this one. I don't know. I'll look you all over there. Can't see anything on it. We'll put the glass on right, so I'll see what I need. Alright, it's going in the pocket. Little hole, maybe 8 inches deep, so not bad. Running surf program, running 2.5 reactivity. 6.5 on the scrim. That's the 6.4. Change that. And like I said, it's pretty thick. Right over here's the old dump. Right this way. I mean, really, the old dump for the whole town. Right here was the old house. Pushed up in here. I found some old bottles in there, stuff like that. But today we're hitting the field. Look here. Alright, who else found one of those? Deep down a hole, man. It's over 12 inches. Those things, they just sound like phenomenal. There's one of those. And who doesn't want to find what's in them? You know what I'm saying? I don't think there's any coins in there, but it's still down there. I'll go ahead and get it here in a second. See if we can't do something about that. Hang on. We've got it all in. Pieces of it all through here everywhere. Hell, what the bottle is anyway? Up here. Should be from hands open. Let's see here, so. I'm not seeing is any silver. Oh, that's the top itself. Yeah. She's coming up 82 in the ground. Yeah, a faint little sound or something. No coins in there. Put some kind of alcohol just because of here. Covering the 89. Whatever it is. Pull on. Yeah, you know what I do? Towel my hands. I'm not good. I bought gloves just for this kind of stuff. I don't use them. Good piece. And the rate. It was all down there. It just sticks down there. Crushed. Well, it was all cracked. I feel crushed and cracked and down to the The whole thing was there though. Very deep. Once again, that's 20 inches right in here. The bottom right rib. There's that. I've not found anything that deep here. Just I don't know if it's cash money or something, but I don't think there's anything because it's clean as it is. There's a deep. Oh. Pretty hitting the ass. There's tons of things. I'm pretty sure it's the whole thing. 95 here, but good. I don't know if I showed you that while ago or not. There's the first Civil War tent tight in there. There's another first dug right here. I will say I've been over this a few times. Wet dirt producing a little better today than all the other times. With USA written on it or something. Let's get one of those guys. Nice little couple of Civil War buttons on it. Maybe more. Not one of them got the USA on yet. Just having all the four buttons there and bullets. But I'm pretty sure when it says program, got the activity of the factor of 2 with a little more depth. Stuff isn't coming up deep in its wet soil. It's real soft.